This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com, January 7th, 2020, with about 3 minutes to go before the market closed. And let's take a look at one of the stocks that was on our watch list with a buy alert, APLS. But before we do that, by the way, the stock is up about 27% off the highs of the day. Let's take a look here, and there's another stock that I did not profile. So this one was not on our watch list. I did not send an alert for this one, but I just want to show you that even the ones that I missed, we can see here, they still have to maintain the minimum requirements. So nice move today. With that breakout move, we can see that the RSI is moving to 3-year highs. So this is definitely one that should have been on my watch list. I should have sent an alert for this one, but I missed it. But we can see it meets the minimum requirements in terms of the RSI and MACDs moving to 3-year highs. So that's what they look like just before they explode in price. So this one I missed, but I want to show you the minimum requirements are the same, which gives us confidence when we are picking momentum stocks. All right, now let's take a look at the other one. See here, Tuesday, January the 7th, 2020, that the stock is one of the leadership stocks in the US market. Right here, it is, as of today, the 5th highest gainer for today alone. All right, so let's take a look at the chart. Oh, by the way, this was a breakout alert candidate for my paid subscribers as of November 6th, 2019. And there is the stock. You can see here, this is what I was anticipating, this breakout in price. And I could see that a breakout in price was definitely going to move the RSI to 3-year highs and give the stock momentum, which is exactly what we are seeing playing out right here. And we can take a look at the MACDs. And the MACDs are clearly also breaking out. So because the stock looked like it was gonna break out in price and meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, this was one of those quality names we were watching over the last couple of weeks. By learning this simple method, you too can avail yourself to this type of strong movers in a bull market. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-S-E-S.